This is an update for my friends, for those who I've known for a long time and those who perhaps have been following me here for some time, especially those back in California. I wanted to give an update as to what's going on in my life, what's going on with this online ministry initiative, and what's basically happened over the last couple of years. In brief, for those who don't know, I served a couple congregations out in California, wonderful congregations, for about 7 years. And the last year while I was there was having an increasing sense that the Lord was wanting me to relocate and establish an online ministry. Continue to share God's word and inspire people, encourage people in faith, through the internet, online. So following that, it was a long time of discernment. It was months of discernment. But eventually following that, I settled, found a little space to make some of these videos and do a lot of research. And I've been doing that since, probably early 2021, so early last year. And we had a good start, just kind of filling in all the time frame since then. We had a good start. We shot a variety of videos, some little devotionals, some little worship services, some kind of educational videos on biblical history and so forth. And some of them did really well, which was great. And some of them just didn't do really well at all. And so about halfway through the year, I thought to take some time back and do some deep research, try to figure out, why some videos, some topics seem to generate a lot of interest and get viewed by a lot of people, and why others don't. Why do they just kind of never get off the ground? And so doing that for a couple months, after a while, the channel, being away from it, the channel did ultimately kind of tank, because no videos, I think, was being produced to kind of keep activity and interest going. And at the same time, early last fall, the economy took a little bit of a turn. And so I decided to, as things were kind of unclear as to what exactly to do next, decided to step forward into kind of a backup plan I had in mind going into this, which was to establish kind of a home repair service or a handyman business. As you all know me, that's been something that's kind of I've kept involved with for a number of years now. And so last fall decided to set that up, basically to have some work on the side to bring in some income and just get things more established practically. And so I did that. It took a little bit of time to learn about the code. Here the climate is certainly different, so there are some other considerations. But then also just took some time to get the tool set all filled out. Do a lot of research about various repairs and various past methods of construction that I was dealing with. But so anyway, I did that for about 9 months, really full time, getting that established and full bore, which turned out to be very successful very easily, which thank God for. As this year progressed, however, I was feeling an increasing insistence that I've really got to get back to making videos, to this online ministry, which is why I moved here and why I feel really led to be doing this kind of work. And so I've largely put on hold my home repair availability and service to people, and I'm now really full-time back into producing videos after doing just a little bit of research before getting things going again. And so here we are. Since getting things going, we've done maybe 6. This is maybe the 7th video we've done in the last week and a half or so. And things ahead are looking good. I've learned a lot from James. We should always say, God willing, we'll go do this or that. Because things can certainly take kind of a turn, and it's a long detour when you only think it's going to be, a week or two or a couple months. Things can sometimes go all sorts of different ways in life. But I am very glad to be back. I feel like this is what I'm supposed to be doing. And so we'll hope to see you guys, here online into the future. Most of my videos will be on YouTube. That's where it's the primary platform for people to find and to share videos. But some will be on Facebook as well, just to keep people with whom I'm connected with through that platform. And so either one, feel free to check me out on either. We'll be glad to see you guys there. And any comments, any feedback are more than welcome. Questions, any interests, things that you might like to have covered, please send them my way, because I'm always interested in knowing what other people are interested in. And so I'll certainly through the end of this year and very likely well into the next year, we'll be doing this full time, so you'll be seeing a little bit more of me. Whether that's good or bad, I'll let you decide. But in the meantime, I'd warmly welcome your prayers. In all sincerity, your prayers would be happily welcome as we step forward into this. And two, just the nature of the internet and social media. If you feel inclined to watch any videos, click a like button or whatnot, or even share them. It does help. Any type of positive engagement with the videos does help another person to see it. And so it kind of helps snowball that activity. And so, just watching once hopefully helps yourself. It helps me, and it also, hopefully helps another too. And so would be more than welcome your viewing any videos of interest to you. And as you who know me know, I've got plenty of natural headwinds against me, plenty of liabilities. I'm about as exciting as, vanilla ice cream with vanilla icing, and about as clever too. And I've got a personality of a potato, as you know. So, any help on the internet to get things moving, I'd warmly welcome it. So I hope you're all doing well. My good wishes go with you, especially for those churches in California. You guys continue to be in my prayers. And I look forward to seeing you guys again here through this channel and elsewhere as well. All right, until then, God bless, and we'll see you next time.